In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enter expenses in QuickBooks Desktop. If you need to keep your books accurate and make sure your spending is recorded properly, entering expenses the right way is an important part of your workflow. In QuickBooks Desktop, the way you enter an expense depends on how that expense was paid. So in this walkthrough, I'll show you the correct place to go and what to do based on the type of purchase you're recording. To begin, go to the banking menu and select Write Checks. This is the area you'll use for cash purchases or expenses paid with a debit card. Even though the name says Write Checks, this window is also commonly used to record payments that have already been made directly from a bank account. Once you open it, choose the appropriate account if needed, and then enter the details of the expense you want to record. Make sure you fill in the transaction information carefully. That includes the payee, the date, and the amount, along with the correct expense account or item, depending on how you track purchases in your company file. Taking a moment to enter these details accurately helps keep your reports clean and makes it much easier to review your spending later. If you're entering multiple expenses, repeat the same process for each one, so everything is categorized correctly. There's also another option you may need if the expense has not been paid yet. If you're recording a vendor bill that you plan to pay later, go to the Vendors menu and click Enter Bills. This is the correct choice when you've received a bill from a vendor, but the money has not left your account yet. In the Enter Bills window, enter the bill details carefully, including the vendor information, date, amount, and the proper expense category. This allows QuickBooks to track what you owe and helps you stay on top of upcoming payments. Choosing between Write Checks and Enter Bills is the key part of this process. If the purchase was already paid with cash or a debit card, use Write Checks. If it's a bill you'll pay later, use Enter Bills. Using the right option ensures your records stay organized and prevents confusion in your bank balance and accounts payable. And that's it. Once you've entered the expense in the correct place, your transaction is recorded in QuickBooks Desktop and your books stay up to date.